Hi, today we're going to make Arab bread, or as they call it, pita. We're going to dissolve 20 grams of yeast. It could be dry yeast or it could be fresh yeast. It's the same. And we're going to place it in a cup and a half of water. It has to be warm. And we're going to add a teaspoon of sugar. We're going to mix it and we're going to let it rest a while. In the meanwhile, we're going to grab another bowl and we're going to add 700 grams of flour. It has to be bread flour. So this is like the heaviest flour. It's like impure. It's not like the all-purpose flour. It has to be this bread flour. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add the yeast and 2 tablespoons of oil. We're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna knead the dough. Don't knead it too much. Once the dough is smooth, we're gonna put it back inside the bowl. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it rest until it rises. Once it has duplicated its volume, we're gonna take the air out, poking our fingers inside the dough, and we're gonna knead it again. Don't knead it too much. Then we're gonna put a lot of flour on the counter because it's very sticky. And we're gonna make like a circle, and we're gonna divide it in half. Then we're gonna divide it in 4 fourths. And each 1/4 we're gonna cut into 3 different pieces. So you should have 12 pieces of dough. Make them even. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to weigh them. And once you got the 12, we're gonna form 12 balls. When we have the 12 balls, we're gonna place a lot of flour again on the counter, and we're gonna grab the rolling pin and we're gonna stretch them out. They kind of stick, and they're like very elastic, so they will shrink, and you have to be a little bit patient here. So once we stretch the 12 balls the thinnest that we can, we're gonna place them on an oven pan. The oven pan doesn't need to have any oil, any butter, or anything. We just sprinkle it with a little bit of flour, and we place them in a very, very hot oven. They take around 5 to 10 minutes. They're going to be slightly brown on top and a little bit golden brown on the bottom. They will rise in the middle, and we just take them out. We place them on a plate. We just pile one on top of each other. We let them cool down. And then if we want to prepare a sandwich, we just cut it, and they will be hollow in the middle, and you can just stuff them with whatever you want. I used cheese, lettuce, eggs, tomato, but you can put meat, chopped meat, whatever you guys want. And you can store these in the freezer, or if you don't want to place them in the freezer, you have to put them in an airtight container so they won't get too dry, and this way they will be moist all the time. So if you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You'd really help me a lot, and it's absolutely free. And don't forget to activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. It's also free. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any comments, please let me know and I will answer everything. Okay, thank you. Bye.